Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, there's a hard right hand turn down here. Hey, look at all these shops that there ain't nothing in them. Today we're in Carlisle, Kentucky. Going to do a little riding. Got Stephanie with me on a KTM, and we got Gage on a GSXR now. He traded his 450R for that. Like I'll trail or tail a dragon because I know it's going to be good. Whereas like I don't really know. I'd much rather ride to West Virginia. Yeah. Hey, there's a hard right hand turn down here. Right. Damn Harley riders. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, that had to hurt.
I'd say. I didn't need it.
Gage, you ain't got nothing holding the front of this thing on, dude.
Don't need it.
We got 6 miles until we turn left. Yeah.
I like the bread.
Right. I don't know. Oh, ice cream. Yeah, I know. I didn't know it was here. Damn. Yeah. The house that was burnt down. I want to know how towns like these get big and then everybody moves out of them. Like, what? what was here that caused everybody to move here for a couple of years, and then, you know, like, obviously this place was popular at one time. This is where Daniel Boone had a cabin at. Look at that old Mountain Dew sign. And then there's an old Coke sign up here. Yeah, that place has been painted. I'm gonna take a left. Yeah, look at all these shops that there ain't nothing in them. Closing sale. Really? It's crazy, dude. This place is just dead, man.
Because they're all dying. We're having a blackberry festival.
Oh, that's cool. Hell yeah.
July 4th and 8th.
A blackberry festival. Come down here and drink some wine and it's an old railroad town. Damn, look at that old Chevy. Oh yeah, 100%, yeah. That's a road. Ain't nothing like a good rainfall. Yeah, with a little bit of sunshine. It does got a little sunshine, dude.
Be careful.
Sunshine and whiskey. We're like right on the edge of it. Yep. See ya. I'm surprised I touched your hand. Well guys, it's a late one. I appreciate you for watching all of this. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I truly want to know what you think.